The four states' most watched news starts now.
Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News on Fox 14. It's currently 7:26. A daring rescue this weekend in Tulsa as police required a few reinforcements. The Tulsa Fire Department arrived to rescue a baby duckling from a storm drain. As you can see, they had to climb deep into the storm drain. Authorities say when one of the officers took a gander down the drain, he learned that the mama duck did indeed lose her duckling. At last report, not any of the ducklings suffered injuries. Now, if you're looking for something to occupy your kids this summer, the Pittsburgh Public Library has you covered. Maker Monday kicked off yesterday. Summer-long event gives kids the chance to explore fun projects they can create and take home a new craft each week.
So these programs provide an opportunity for kids and teens to get out of the house into a safe area of the community and meet with friends and socialize and just have a good time outside of school and other places during the summer.
The workshops take about an hour. The library will be closed on Monday, June 19th, so there will be no class that day. Public Library in Fort Scott, Kansas also hosted an event yesterday. Folks there had the chance to paint some rocks and enjoy some snacks and drinks. After the rock painting party, they went on a walk searching for other painted rocks. Organizers say it's a chance to explore creativity and nature.
We are painting rocks as a Kindness Rocks painting party that brings us together as a community and lets the kids work in cooperation to do something fun and creative.
You can find other fun events all around the four states on our website, koamnewsnow.com/events. Well, some area middle and high school athletes are among students participating in other activities. They got their free physical examinations completed yesterday in Joplin. More than 300 students from Joplin, Riverton, and Columbus schools are getting their health checked at the Joplin High School Gymnasium. Joplin School's athletic director Matt Hyatt says student athletes and members of activities are required to have a pre-participation physical every 2 years. He says the partnership between Freeman and participating schools can save a great amount of money, especially for a family that has several athletes. Physicals are done on time before the summer.
We're trying to pick up any previous injuries they've had or any health problems they have. A lot of times whatever their family history is really important. So if their dad's had heart problems or they've had passing out episodes, you're trying to pick up those things. And if they had prior injuries, musculoskeletal injuries, you're trying to pick those up as well.
There will be 2 more scheduled examination nights this month at Neosho Junior High and Webb City High School.
We've got mostly clear skies as we head into the morning, and we will warm up and be muggy out there, low 80s. Humid conditions continue. Pop-up storms across the area this afternoon. Could see a stray strong or severe thunderstorm out there. Highs pushing upper 80s, lower 90s. As we lose the daytime heating, we will lose those thunderstorms and go mostly clear to partly cloudy overnight and mild, mid to upper 60s. Low 90s tomorrow, hot, maybe a stray shower or two, otherwise partly cloudy. Storms in the morning Thursday, pop-up storms by the afternoon, low 80s, pop-up storms through Sunday, mid to upper 80s, and then we're in the upper 70s, mostly sunny on Monday. Tanya?
All right, Missouri Southern is inspiring kids to check out some new sports and get active. KOAM's Amber Jenkins caught up with some kids who are trying golf for the first time.
Summertimes means summer camps, and Missouri Southern State University's Kids Sports Camp focuses on learning different kinds of sports. On the first day, campers hit the driving range with high emotions.
A little anxious, but it's really fun.
Children's Lifetime Sports Academy is held every summer, but this is Jersey's first year at the camp.
Ooh, that was close, that was close.
And first time holding a club.
I really like active. I like to be active, running, laughing, having fun, loud. Because my mom is like, well, if you don't do any sports, you won't be as moving as you're getting older.
MSSU wants kids to step out of their comfort zone and explore different kinds of sports. You never know, the next Tiger Woods could be a local.
Ooh, that one's a good one.
Well, I am really pro golf for junior golf. So I coach 2 high school teams, the girls and the boys, and need juniors to get into play golf. It gives them exposure to something else that they may not otherwise know anything of. And golf can be kind of expensive. So
No, they just said that you're like really good at like different sports and participating and stuff.
This 4-day sports academy is just one of the 4 camps Jersey has set up this summer.
No, I usually just have one. So yeah, I upgraded this year.
Reporting in Joplin, Amber Jenkins, KOAM News.
The Academy welcomes children of all abilities, ages 7 through 12. This morning, we've been discussing your favorite Star Wars movie.
That is because you're going to want to get out your checkbook, because one of Hollywood's premier prop houses is prepping for a massive movie fire sale that could land you Harry Potter's cloak or the Dark Knight's bat pod.
That'd be cool. More than 1,400 items are up for grabs at Prop Store's huge Hollywood auction in late June that could haul in as much as $12 million in bids. There are too many Tinseltown trinkets to name them all, but highlights include Michael Keaton's bat suit, Rose's dress from Titanic, a baseball glove from Field of Dreams, a gremlin from Gremlins, and the thing from The Thing, and more. The star of the show is Princess Leia's white gown worn in Star Wars by the late, great Carrie Fisher.
Or storage, whichever. That does bring us to our question for you this morning. What's your favorite Star Wars movie? So far, 38% of you say it's something not on our list. Another 38% of you say Return of the Jedi. And we got 12% going for Star Wars and for Empire Strikes Back. So make sure you take time to vote through our website, our app, and take part in the discussion on our Facebook page.
What about the newest ones? They didn't make this list. I guess they'd be in the other category.
Right. That's why we have the other category, because that's a long list.
Return of the Jedi is way up there, though.
It is.
It's tough. And it's constantly changing, and love this.
It's a Star Wars voting war.
Yeah, no storage wars here. It's Star Wars. That's a look at our top news stories coming up this half hour on the KOAM Morning News. We've got David Grubb in studio this morning. He's going to tell us about a program called the MOCHIP ID Program.
And we've got those pop-up thunderstorms once again this afternoon. Even some patchy fog you can see here on our studios, our cameras here at the KOAM studios. We'll be back with another check of that forecast, but first, here's another live look from the 66 Drive-In Theater in Carthage, Missouri, as we celebrate the 90th anniversary of the first drive-in theater back in Camden, New Jersey. We'll be right back.
Perks and rewards you won't find anywhere else. All veterans and military members get special bonuses with hero rewards. Live music every other Friday in the Naughty Trough. Daily lunch and Tuesday barbecue dinner specials in the Winner's Circle restaurant. Check out our daily promotions, Lucky Sevens, Hot Seats, and Frenzy Friday. Visit thestablescasino.com or the Gold Club for full details. Your home away from home, the Stables Casino in Miami, Oklahoma.
Dear sharp curves, don't spin your wheels. Toyota has more all-wheel drive sedans than any other brand. So you can bet your bottom dollar that we're sharper than ever. 'Cause we got traction, baby. Yours, Toyota sedans. That's right. Toyota has more all-wheel drive sedans than any other brand.
Find yours at Toyota.com. Toyota. Let's go places.
You may think your home's crawl space is okay, but chances are it's not. Mold, pests, and rotting beams can all cause problems for your home and for your family. The good news is your home's crawl space problems can be fixed permanently, so you and your family can rest easy. Because crawl space problems won't get better with time, but they will get better with us.
Call Thrasher Foundation Repair today for your free estimate.
X-ray, CT, MRI, and other diagnostics make modern medical practice possible. Labette Community College prepares students for an entry-level career in radiography in 23 months.
When I was in high school, I shadowed in Emporia Hospital at the radiology department, and when I came here and took a tour at Labette Community College, I fell in love with the teachers.
Apply now at labette.edu or call 1-888-LABETTE. Labette Community College, where it's all about you.
Welcome back. We have a special guest joining us this morning, David Grubb, here to tell us about the MOCHIP program and where you can get your kids signed up. All right, thank you for joining us this morning, David.
Thank you.
Well, first let's start off, what is the MOCHIP program and why is it important?
Okay, first thing that everybody always asks, no, we don't insert a chip in the kids.
No, no, I didn't think so, but that's a good question though.
But this is a child identification program. Over 2,000 kids are abducted or disappear every day in the United States. This helps the families and the police find them.
Yes.
We take down, this is done, we do this every year. There are 7 crews that go around the state doing this.
Is this part of, you're with the Osage Lodge? It's
number 303,
number 303.
in Nevada.
This is part of like one of your lodge's missions, yeah.
Right. When you bring your child in, and at any age, it used to be just from birth to 21. Now we take even old people like, not you, but me.
Thank you for not calling me old. So what do they do with the kids what's the process entail?
When you first come in, we have the parents fill out a form that lists all the emergency numbers for the family, the doctors, the dentists, psychiatrists, whatever. Most people don't carry that with them. If you'll go to the bottom of this sheet and go to mochip.org, you can download the forms in advance and have them filled out. Then we weigh the children and measure them. Then they go on into the next room and we take and put all this information on a computer. Then we take digital photos, full frontal and both profiles. I asked them one year, why did they do, because they always have the girls pull their hair back. They told me that your ears are as identifying as your fingerprints.
That's true.
So after all of this is recorded, then we go on down to the digital fingerprints, and then on around to the bite wing, which your teeth are yours and nobody else's is like it.
So they do fingerprints, photographs, they do your dental imprints.
And there's enough saliva on that dental for a DNA sample.
For DNA.
And there's enough scent for a trained scent dog to find that kid in a crowd.
Awesome.
Now, the dental we can't put on a computer. We get a thumb drive. All this information's on that, and everything is given to the parents.
So the parents keep this information, so if their child ever goes missing, then they can take that to the police.
And we triple wipe the computers at the end of the program. These computers have never been online, so there's nothing hacked.
Okay, we are almost out of time.
Okay.
So I just want to quickly mention that this is going to be Saturday, June 10th from 10 to 2 as you guys are going to be set up there in Nevada.
Correct. And if you get there a little bit early, the Eastern Star is serving breakfast.
Even better. I like that. Well, thank you so much for coming in this morning.
Thank you for having me. I hope the people respond to this, and we have about 100 every year.
It's a great program.
It really is.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.
We'll be right back.